Okay, this is interesting. So what we're looking at is basically ensuring that the implementation does this. So I guess we're if an add command is received, then we know how many times we need to we know what we need to send through the channel and what we're expecting back from the channel. That's really interesting. So a channel which implements this protocol, I guess we're saying that you can't have type confusion on serialization, I suppose, because whatever you get, well, I mean, in theory, this could be an abstraction over the network, but somewhere underneath there's probably the possibility for type confusion. But at the very least, if you imagine this is client, at the very least at a high level, you can encode exactly what you need to send to and from, and then you can demand that you have a channel that implements that protocol. So you know exactly, well, this is the server side, so you know exactly what you need to receive, it's 2 ints, and you know exactly what you need to send, it's 1 int, and then close the channel. Okay. Of course, this doesn't encode that the result actually does this thing, but that's fine. Yes, okay, yes. I know these dependently typed people love holes. This idea of like, here I've written a type for a thing, you put a question mark here. Can you help me figure out what code I actually need to write? I don't really care for it, but these type theory people love it. Or at least the programming side of the type theory people love it. Yes, more holes. Sending channels over channels. Yeah, start up more worker processes. I'm definitely like substructural type systems. What is this? Like I'm definitely seeing the potential here. I think we're, probably like a decade off any of this being like good. But I see a lot of potential. I'm liking it. All right. You allow exchange, you don't allow weakening, contraction. Yeah. As a side note, archive is amazing. Like, what a gem of a website. And also thank you, Edwin, for putting your paper here. Or preprint. I don't know if this is technically a preprint, but thank you for putting your paper here. You are a legend. Also, thanks this dude. Thanks, Adkey. I don't know if this is your website or not, or if someone's just hosting it, but still, you're also a legend. Assuming this is, I don't know, assuming you allowed this. Otherwise, I'm sorry for your loss, but it's worth it. Yes, it's a difficult problem. Did this build? Looks like it. So I think I can, oh boy, now we're programming. I don't know. Is it int or is it nat? I mean, those are not the same thing, but couldn't pass any alternatives. Oh, do we not have read line? Oh, disgusting. Is that not how I declare something? It looks like how I declare something, but you don't like that. Couldn't pass any alternatives. Am I meant to, well, sure, we'll do it in all its explicitness. Yeah, you don't like that. Undefined name A. Kind of disagree. Yeah, we're allowed variables. Kind of don't agree. I don't know how you're meant to use this at the command line. Probably not like this. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think you'd like that either. Let's go Idris. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just take me to your documentation. Yeah, this is also interesting, because it in theory allows you to optimize things out. It doesn't allow, what is this? Partly inspired by earlier work, yeah. It provides the cleanest solution to the erasure problem, though we no longer infer which other arguments can be erased. Oh, really? They only erase zero multiplicity. That's interesting. But yeah, if something is not allowed to be used at runtime, you don't, like, it doesn't need to be in your program. It's not allowed to be used at runtime. So you can do optimizations based off that. Yeah, agreed. Allows reasoning about resource usage. Okay, conclusions, further, yada, 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 whatever. Okay. Oh, we're working in the IO monad. I don't know if it's let. Expected in? Yeah. Well, sure, we can do that. Oh, we cannot. Okay. Pac-Man. Yeah, it doesn't really want us to do this at the command line. That's fine, I guess. We'll just do this here. So I think we should be able to. All right. We might be able to load that. Below we see an example in which hello Idris is loaded. The type of main is checked. Do you really need a main? And then the program is compiled to the executable file hello available. Oh, I see, it's for compiling. Can we load? Expected string begin. Yeah, it's probably looking in the directory. While processing left-hand side of S and unifying int and something, mismatch between int and type. Do you not like that? No, you definitely don't. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so if I go, oh hell yeah, now we're cooking with gas. Okay, I don't anticipate really using this, but very cool. I think I have an idea for a little project that I want to do. It shouldn't be too hard, but I don't think we're starting it today. I'm hoping I can get it done pretty quickly, though my experience with Acta has me expecting that I'm going to fight this language a lot, specifically the compiler. But we'll see. I think we'll kick that off next time. So.